Yes,
Okay. Thank you for the very precise, very clear lecture. Yes. My name is Jannat Siddiq. I am a Muslim. I became a Muslim in 2005 after marrying a Bangladeshi husband of mine. And mashallah, I have an 8-year-old daughter, Khadija. Again, mashallah. Okay, now finally, this is my time to ask a question. Okay, well, it looks like I would like to ask you your opinion about this. I have seen like several videos of fake halal animal fighting in the Middle East. Oh, like fake halal. Fake halal meaning well, you're supposed to slaughter the animal in the way of Quran, but it's not doing it. It's actually they're electrocuting the animal, which make the well, in that case I saw a sheep suffering when they die. And why is it? I wouldn't want to say allowed, but why is it getting so common these days? And I have also seen the picture of animal fighting. In that case, 2 goats are fighting, and actually these Muslims, the local Muslims, are eating them. And why is it? Why has it been practiced? I would like to ask you your opinion about this.
Sister asked 2 questions. That she has seen videos in which there is fake halal, so why is it being practiced or allowed? Sister, if it's not zabiyah, according to the rules of the Quran and the Sunnah, it is haram to have that meat. Why it is being done? Because now halal business is becoming a very good business, you know. And in Japan also I found many people have a halal business, you know. So for business some people do it, and some of the non-Muslims also do it. We as Muslims, we should see to it that as long as it is following the criteria of Quran and Sahih Hadith, no problem. But if they are not following the criteria of Quran and Sahih Hadith because they want to make a fast money, then it is not allowed. So we should discourage such things. Regarding animals fighting, I know during the Bakr Eid or Eid al-Zuha, the children normally get goats and the goats fight. It's all. It is not encouraged. It is wrong for goat to fight, but some of the children do that. It is wrong. So we should not encourage that the animals should fight among themselves. But if some people are doing out of ignorance, we should guide them. And in Islam, the zabiyah should be made according to the guidelines of the Quran and the Sunnah. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you, sir.
Namaskar.